Start by opening Audacity and make sure your audio file is loaded into the timeline. There are a few simple ways to lower the volume of your track in Audacity. The first thing to understand is the playback volume slider. You can find it in the top right corner of the screen. If you hover your mouse over it, it will say Playback Volume. Moving this slider will change how loud the audio sounds when you play it back, but it will not change the actual volume of the exported file. To change the actual track volume, look at the left side of your audio track. You will see two sliders. The top one controls the volume of the track. To lower the volume, simply drag this slider to the left. This will affect the volume of the exported file. If you want more precise control over the volume in decibels, select your audio track by clicking anywhere on it. Then go to the top menu, click on Effect, hover over Volume and Compression, and choose Amplify. A small window will open. In the Amplify window, you will see an option called Amplification in dB. To lower the volume, enter a negative value here. For example, typing -3 will reduce the volume by 3 decibels. Once you've entered the value, click Apply. That's how you lower the volume of a track in Audacity.